Wel aan het filmen. So he is already recording. Okay, this is Peter, not your average guy, with my bodyguard Martin, and we are yet on another mission to document Varosha, because this has never been done before. We are showing houses that have not been filmed for 44 years. In general, I don't do like 3-4 missions of the same area, of course. But since it's going very well, and I have the sense, the feeling that this is a historical mission, because it's never done before, it's never been documented how the houses are, it's never been filmed in 44 years. So it's like important. And that's why I'm just gonna do it again, a little bit different route, just capture what we can capture. Launching it from the same location.
No, you have to push the special button this time.
Yeah, if it's all right now, then it will record automatically. So.
Shall I call the church for the bells?
Yes, let's ring the bells. I got GPS. I'm recording the screen over here. I've loaded a mission, but just to make sure that I got the right one, like this. So I did not record it yet.
You put it on auto record.
Yeah. Let's see if auto record is working or what. Put the camera down already. I'm gonna put it in the air. Like this.
Recording started.
It says recording started. So that's
nice to know.
Good to know. And now let's launch the mission. It says uploading.
Warning, mission error.
It says mission could not be executed. It said that the previous time, but it does say it's running.
Yeah, it's going up.
So it's really weird.
And it's going.
Yeah, and it's going. It's really weird that it says mission error. I cannot execute this mission, but it's still running. But that was the previous time too, so.
Warning, signal lost.
Yes, we're gonna go to my first rank seat.
Go to your throne.
To my throne.
You need to find you a proper crown, right?
Exactly, but I have my
that's not proper.
my cap.
I'm sure I can find something here that will suit you better.
Yeah, doesn't.
Already found it now.
Warning, signal lost.
There's enough here. So I'm gonna enjoy the view.
This one's better.
From here. I got image. Maybe when you want
Oh,
to.
it really matches the chair as well.
Oh, what you got this time for me? Martin is trying to make fun of me all the time.
I'll never do it to you.
No, you would never do that. What is it? Oh, it's actually very good.
It's also a bit of camouflage.
It's true. So if they see me, then they...
Now they see a chair, only a chair.
That's right.
With sunglasses.
They see a chair with...
and white legs, but...
and white legs and burned skin. And again, seriously guys, you have to think about how much effort I put into this for you guys to watch and entertain. So, white legs, red skin, funny head, old chair. and I have to, how do you say that? I have to put along or get along with this guy all the time.
That's probably the hardest thing.
So, all right, I'm seeing this village. I didn't fly over it before, so, and there's a little church here, and this is the route to the beach that Turkish Cypriots are allowed to use. Very, very nice view. This is actually the most relaxed kind of flying there possibly is. I mean, because I don't have to do anything. I can just sit here and wait and relax while the UN car is driving by the post over there. It's behind the trees now. I think it's stopped over there behind the trees.
They've got a camera there.
Yeah, they got binoculars.
No, it's how do you say it? Ball camera.
Oh, like security camera.
Surveillance.
Yeah, exactly. But that won't go far. It will only film the
property.
Yeah, the property. It does sound like there's an aeroplane or what?
Warning, signal lost.
Okay. I'll keep it up.
Warning, signal lost.
This is because somebody's in between. Now I got it back.
Pretty windy. Yeah.
I cannot hear any airplane here.
No. On his way back or not?
Yeah.
Shit, opman.
Zweet, hè?
Je ziet de lijst komt ineens een vogel die zo. Wow,
Ja. Yep. Dat is om te kijken of je wel alert bent, Maarten. Kijk, hier zie je al die loopgraven.
33 kilometer per uur.
Ja, hij gaat een beetje langzaam.
Ja, het is veel wind. 47% batterij en zo
Ja,
terug.
nog met 2 kilometer, dus komt allemaal goed. Kijk, daar gaat de boer. Met de trekker, zie je dat?
Ja.
Oh, here it is. You see?
Ja. Je hoort hem wel.
Ja, maar dat komt omdat je hier zit. Want dit werkt als een soort versterker. Op het moment dat je buiten gaat staan, hoor je het niet meer. Er komt een auto. Even uitkijken. Je rijdt deze kant op. Nou, hij is al weg. Oké. I'm gonna catch it. Here.
Warning, signal lost.
Oh, it's not here yet. I think I was a little bit too quick going here.
Warning, aircraft battery at 24%.
Heb jij de zoom hier helemaal uitgeschakeld op de beveiliging?
Nee. Dan?
Maar je ziet het verder.
This is just a manual precision landing.
Warning, aircraft battery at 21%. Recording stopped.
Mission succeeded. Now go to the next one.